Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Kamusta kayo? Narito ang isang bahagi o segment ng ating aralin sa Conversational Tagalog 1. At ito naman ang inyong instruktor, Rafael Pulmano. Hello everyone! Welcome to Lesson 17, Telling Time. In this tutorial, you will learn about telling time using Tagalog numerals. In the first lesson 17 tutorial, you learned how to tell time using the Spanish numeral system like una, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, at iba pa for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and others. You also learned to use ala for 1 o'clock, alauna, and alas for 2 o'clock, alas dos, all the way to 12 o'clock, alas 12. Ala or alas in English is o'clock. Although ala or alas means o'clock, we never say una ala for 1 o'clock or dos alas for 2 o'clock. We say alauna, alas dos, and so on. Ala or alas is a time marker. The Spanish number system is a standard usage for telling time in the Philippines. On certain formal occasions, as well as in writing, Tagalog numbers are used. That is, isa, dalawa. In telling time in Tagalog, use the time marker Ika, followed by the number Ika-isa, Ika-dalawa, or Ika-lawa, Ika-tatlo, or Ikatlo, Ika-apat, Ika-lima, etc. When using this form to express exact time beyond the hour and half-hour readings, you have to resort to compounding. Take for example, 4:21. Ika-apat at dalawampu't isang sandali. Literally, it is 4 o'clock and 21 minutes. Give the time in Tagalog. Anong oras na? 5 p.m. Ika-lima ng hapon. Anong oras na? 7:30 a.m. Ika-pito at kalahati ng umaga. Kalahati means half. In ika-pito at kalahati, kalahati is like media in Spanish and means 30 minutes in this context. Anong oras na? 9:30 p.m. Ika-siyam at kalahati ng gabi. Tell the time in Spanish and Tagalog. Answers to the first item are given. Anong oras na? Time, 8 a.m. Spanish, alas 8 ng umaga. Tagalog, ika-8 ng umaga. 11:30 a.m. Anong oras na? Spanish, alas 11:30 ng umaga. Tagalog, ika-11 at kalahati ng umaga. 3:30 p.m. Anong oras na? Spanish, alas 3:30 ng hapon. Tagalog, ika-tatlo at kalahati ng hapon or ikatlo at kalahati ng hapon. 10:15 p.m. Anong oras na? Spanish, alas 10:15 ng gabi or alas 10:15 ng gabi. Tagalog, 10:15 sandali ng gabi. Or, 15 sandali makalipas ang 10 ng gabi. You have just learned about telling time using Tagalog numerals. This is the end of this segment. Please proceed to the next. Salamat!